Hi guys! Welcome back to my mini vlog. Another day, another vlog! Today, samahan niyo kami sa first ever hike namin at Mount Batulao in Nasugbu, Batangas. Kaya tara, let's go! For first-time hikers, perfect daw ang Mount Batulao because of its beautiful views and beginner-friendly trails. Kaya tara, subukan natin. 3 a.m. pa lang, bumiyahe na kami from Carmona and by 5 a.m. officially, start na yung hike namin dito sa Mount Batulao. This is the second registration area and the entrance fee costs 160 per person. Not included pa dito yung payment for the tour guide. Paakyat pa lang sa second registration, hingal na agad dahil sa matarik na paakyat na daan. After that, nag-start na kami. By the way, the tour guide fee costs amounting to 900 pesos for 1 to 5 packs. And, if lumagpas doon yung number of hikers, depende na sa inyo kung magkano yung additional payment na ibibigay nyo for the tour guide. Dito na nag-split ang way ng Old Trail at New Trail, and as recommended ng tour guide namin, sa New Trail kami dadaan. Hindi pa man kami nakakalayo, sumama na agad ang pakiramdam ng iba naming kasama. But still, nagpatuloy pa rin kami hanggang sa makarating sa Peak 1. Mount Batulao pala has 12 peaks before makarating sa summit, and we were just enjoying every peak kasi dito mo marirealize na hindi lang pala yung summit ang hinihintay, but even the peaks before the summit were already fulfilling. At Peak 4, nag-stop muna kami sa Kubo for a quick rest and kumain muna ng konti para mag-recharge before magpatuloy sa hike. As per tour guide, around 3 to 4 hours pa bago makarating sa summit para sa katulad naming beginners. But still, depende pa rin sa pacing ng bawat isa. Kaya, tuloy lang sa pag-akyat kahit hingal, pagod at pawis na because every step closer to the top feels so rewarding. This is one of my favorite peak since dito kami inabutan ng sunrise. Hindi ko ma-explain yung ganda ng scenery. And this is the Peak 6!
These memories will stay with me. These memories will stay with me.
Every person may kanya-kanyang reason for hiking. Yung iba for fun, some para makaalis muna sa problema, while others just want peace and a fresh start. But one thing is for sure, the beauty of nature gives something that no words can fully explain. Peace, comfort, and a feeling na parang gumagaan kahit papano yung lahat.
Memories will stay with me.
Nagpatuloy na kami and after ilang minutes, tumigil muna ulit kami sa Kubo. Actually, dito mo marirealize na kapag hiking pala, kailangan mo ng some rest bago magpatuloy. Since napaka-importante ng strength mo and energy mo sa whole climb. We're on the way to Peak 10 before makarating sa summit. Mas challenging na dito kasi mag-start na yung rope section para makaakyat. Parang life din talaga ang trail, no? May mga easy challenges na madali mong malagpasan, pero meron ding mga struggles na kailangan mong paghirapan bago ma-overcome. Sa bawat akyat, may pagod, may takot, at minsan gusto mo na magpahinga o sumuko. Pero you learn na worth it palang magpatuloy.
These memories will stay with me. memories will stay with me.
And after all those trails, tanaw na namin ang summit.
King! King! Lapit na tayo, guys. King! King! May tinda dyan. Yung buko, pwede na yun. Ano, bike? Gutom na kami, bukom na.
These memories will stay with me.
Finally, after all of the hard work, pagod at mga pinagdaanan sa trail, nasa summit na kami. Hindi namin in-expect yung feeling na ganito, parang sabay-sabay yung relief, happiness at emotional na we made it.
These memories
Lahat ng hirap sa pag-akyat, biglang naging worth it. Sa harap ng napakagandang view. This is our first hike and hopefully not the last. Just loving the beauty of nature and everything it has to offer. Salamat sa pagsama sa journey namin. Until next time, guys!